You can create these cute doodles in Procreate. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw them step by step. So if you're ready, grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. So I'll start first by choosing my sleek ink brush for sketching, and I will set the size to 15. For this drawing, I'm gonna draw a circle, fill it with yellow color, and then I will go to Branch, activate Drawing Guide, and then Edit Drawing Guide. Now I'll tab on Symmetry, then I'll set it to 62. I'll tap Done, then I'll go to the layer and tab on Drawing Assist. Now I'll choose again my sleek ink brush and start drawing those lines. I will choose the orange color and drawing the smaller lines just like this. Once I'm done, I'll turn off the Drawing Assist, and I will do the same as well here in Drawing Guide. Now I'll create a new layer above the sun layer, choosing the black, and now I'll start adding cute eyes. I will choose the dark orange to draw a cute smile in the center of the face and two cute rounded cheeks just like this, and for those I choose the pink color. Now I'll create a new layer above the sun layer and set it to multiply mode and turning on clipping mask. For adding shades, I will choose my grainy texture brush and I will choose the yellow color to add some shades. For this step, I lower the brush's opacity to get a natural texture or shadings for my drawing. Now I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to add mode, and then I'll choose the pure white to add some highlights to my cute sun, just like this. And that's it. Now I'll draw the second doodle for this, and I will choose the selection tool, draw a heart, and I will choose my sleek ink brush. For the heart, I will choose pink color and start drawing random lines just like this. Now I'll turn off the selection tool and I will start drawing those lines around the heart. And here is our second doodle is ready. Now I'll start drawing this cute flower, and for this I'll draw a circle and start drawing those curved lines around the circle. Now I'll change the outline colors by tapping on black, then choosing the layer, tap on select, and I will get it black. I'll choose the light yellow to fill in with those shapes, and now I will choose the yellow to color the center of my flower. I'll add two cute eyes and a cute smile in the center of the face, and sure, for the cheeks I will draw those cute circles. Here I start with drawing one circle, and I selected, then I tap on copy paste to copy the circle and have two. Now I will add some shades by creating a new layer, set it to multiply mode, and then choosing my grainy texture brush to add shadows to this cute flower. And of course, I'm using the same colors to do this. Now I add those lines to make the flower even cuter. And finally, I will add highlights to it with white color. And that's it. Now I'll draw this cute flower by drawing 3 cute petals with red color. And for this sure I'm drawing with my sleek ink brush. I'll adjust the shape like this. And now I'll choose the green color to draw the stem and leaves. Now I'll draw cute eyes in the center of the flower and a cute smile with 2 small cheeks using the pink color. And now I'll start adding shadows and highlights to this cute flower using my grainy texture brush. And I'm using the basic color that I used to draw this flower. Finally, I'll add highlights to the flower. And to make the eyes shinier, I will add 2 small white dots inside. And that's it. Now I'll draw this cute rainbow by creating a series of curved parallel arc. And I'll start adding different colors like purple, blue, green, yellow, peach color, and then the pink. I'll add 2 cute eyes, cute smile, and 2 pink cheeks. Now I'll start adding shadows to this cute rainbow using grainy texture brush. And for this, I'm still using the same colors I used to color this rainbow. For example, if I want to shade with green, I use this green. And I like to add more details to make the drawing even cuter, like those dots and those lines to give the drawing depth. The final step is to add highlighting by drawing those lines on an add mode layer and 2 cute white dots for the eyes to make them shinier. And that's it. I'll start by drawing the cloud, and for doing this I will sketch a series of soft bumpy curves connected in a fluffy shape. I will draw a small cloud above this big one. Now I'll add 2 cute eyes and a cute smile. And I will draw a heart inside this small cloud. I'll adjust the size by using the selection tool. Now I'll start coloring, and for the cloud I'll choose the beige color, and I will choose the red color for the heart here, I will use the same color to draw two cute cheeks. And now I started to add shades here by using the blue color. I use also the smudge tool to make the shadows more natural. And the last thing to do is to add highlights to the heart. The next doodle will be a hand making love sign. For this, I'm gonna draw the hand with those fingers, and I will fix it by using the eraser to remove those lines. And now I will draw a curved line as a thumb. I'm still fixing the hand. And finally, I will use the selection tool to draw a heart. For the heart, I will use light pink, and I will start drawing random lines inside the selected area. Just 3 cute lines, and here's our drawing is ready. For drawing this cute frog, I'll start first by drawing the body, which is a big curved line, and the eyes will be like a circle. I will draw this line inside the body and 2 cute eyes and a cute smile with pink color. Now I will use the same color to draw 2 rounded cheeks, and I will draw a cute leaves above the head, and here I'm drawing also this cute clover. And I will start fill my drawings with the colors. For the frog, I will use the lighter green, and I will use beige to color this area. And for shading, I'm using my grainy texture brush to add shadows. I'm doing that on a separate layer using multiply mode. Now I'm using the green olive to create a nice shadings for the color here. And I will use the same technique to add shadows to the frog. Finally, I'll add highlights to the frog by adding those white lines on an add mode layer. And here 2 cute white dots to the eyes, and that's it. For drawing those cute smiley emojis, I'll draw a circle and I'll fix it by tapping on editing, then circle. Now I will draw 2 cute eyes inside the face. I will use the selection tool to select it and then tap on copy paste. Now I will go to the layer here and duplicate it many times to create many cute faces just like this. Now I'll create a big smile inside this face. I'll do the same as well here. Now I will remove those eyes to make happy eyes. They are just like triangle. Now I'll create this smile also with this cute tongue. Here I'll change the eyes and make them as the big hearts. and a simple smile. Here I'll do the same as well, and I'll start coloring by using different colors. It's optional. You can use my colors or you can even choose whatever you want. And here I'll add cute cheeks to those emojis to make them even cuter. You can add some cute details around those faces like small hearts or tiny lines like this to make the drawing so cute. Now I'll start adding shadows by using the same colors. I use multiply mode for creating the shadows and add mode to add highlights. For this step I'm using the pure white. And here is the drawing is ready. If you draw those cute doodles, don't forget to mention me on Instagram. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.